Let's analyze together Mullen with our cats.
Let's go. Welcome to Trading HD. Let's see how is Mullen price action. Remember to read the disclaimer right here. Welcome to Trading HD. Very interesting to notice these latest weeks. We have kind of a pattern right here that we drew. These are just lines as usual, but they could help to create this general picture. It is kind of a triangle, but not as clear as others that we are going to comment that happened in the past. We also have these two rejections right here, very interesting, around the level of $18 more or less. So what do you think about these movements in the price? Also after that stock split that we mentioned in the previous video, very interesting, a lot of information from the technical side. Let us know in the comments your thoughts and let's go deeper.
Yeah, obviously you have to take into consideration what happened in the past. So look at that, these two triangles that were broken out at the end, and then the trend is bearish. So obviously you have to take into consideration exactly what happened in the past today. Maybe it happens, and if it happens, what's your risk management right here? And obviously it could happen the opposite as well. It all depends on what the company does, on all the changes they make. If they turn into profits, that could be like a game changing.
Yeah, exactly. I think something that we could have in the comments for the next video is what do you think about this trading pattern right here? Do you see this triangle? I mean, this latest price action during this last week. Do you think this type of pattern? Do you see a different structure? And do you think will it break to the downside and continue going lower as it happened in the past, or do you think we will see like a breakout to the higher part of this pattern and the price will continue going higher? So then we can have like that in the next video when we analyze it, when the price action will have happened, sorry. We could see who guessed it and what happened. Maybe this isn't just like a pattern and the price does something like this, sometimes it could happen. That's why it's important to have that trading psychology in mind, never better said, and also that trading plan and trading strategies, risk management.
Okay, so I'm very sick today, so that's why I'm not showing my face. But the thing here is like we are planning to release educational content very soon, because it's like a tutorial to guess and understand the main concepts of trading psychology. So stay tuned because we have more videos coming out. And then we have, in Mullen, what I can say, is think about risk management because this stock is very volatile, it's very risky. You need an exit plan, an entry plan as well, But you need also the most important thing is an exit plan if things go wrong.
Yeah, exactly. Because if things go well, if you exit too early, maybe you don't make as much profit. But if things go wrong and you don't have good trading psychology and good risk management strategy, you could enter into a very dangerous territory. And you never want that type of experience if you can avoid it. And in this case, as Alvaro mentioned, let's go with the past price action. We have these triangles, but we can clearly see that the market was in a downtrend territory. So obviously, when you see this type of patterns and you see the breakout, the market tends to continue the previous trend because it has like more strength. And if you don't see something changing like in the news of the company or the market competence maybe, or also like some change in the earnings and revenue, the market normally tends to continue the previous movement. But in this case, this could be different. So that's why we want to know your opinion. Do you think the price will go lower and maybe descend this 50% that we have from this last type of pattern? Is very strange in my opinion, this pattern, but it could be.
Mm-hmm.
Or do you think the price will have that breakout to the upside and we could see maybe 100% to the upside? I think it's a very interesting debate to have there. Do you think this is a good pattern or do you think it is not? And also, how do you think it will break and continue during the next weeks?
Yeah, remember, guys, with this stock, you have to think in advance, because it's very risky, as I said before. But the thing here, is like there is opportunity in risky assets as well. That's true. But also, that you have to remember all the stocks, and we analyzed many of those, Enrique, like many stocks that they went into bankruptcy. And that's the truth, when they do that, you lose everything. And here the thing, is like when investors believe, when they think the stock, the company can turn this project they are doing into benefits, like in net income, not just EBITDA, like net income.
Mm-hmm.
When they do that, if you believe they can do it, and many other investors believe that too, that's when the stock goes up. Right now you can clearly see from the price that there are not many investors that are believing into that.
let us know in the comments what do you think about the future of MULN. Also, right now in the present, we have some news. We have the earnings that you saw. We have all that we experienced with the stock splits. That the situation that we have in MULN, all the price action that we can also analyze, and having all into account all that together, how do you see MULN for 2024 now that we are starting the year? Let us know your opinions about it. Welcome to Trading HT. As Alvaro mentioned, new videos about new content soon. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Meow.